Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can change your header background color. To change your header background color, first right click and then go to inspect, click on that. Now I need to disable the responsive mode, just click on that. Now click on this icon and then select the header area. Now go to the right side and then here search for header class, and this is the class site header. So just copy the class name. Now just close this. Now on the top click on customize. Now on the left panel go to the additional CSS and then here enter dot and then enter the class name. I will share this code in my description box. Now on the top left click on publish. Now you can close this. And there you go. So that's how you can change header background color. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.